Research Institute.
Good morning. I'm Evangeline Manalang, the Technology Transfer Officer of the Philippine Textile Research Institute. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animal in the planet, causing about 725,000 deaths to human beings because of the diseases they transmit, such as dengue, chikungunya, Zika, and the list goes on. For this reason, there's a huge global market opportunity for mosquito repellent products, which provide the first line of defense against mosquito-borne diseases. Looking at the geographical segmentation, the Asia-Pacific region has the huge pie in the market for mosquito repellent products. Zeroing in to the Philippine settings, particularly the dengue cases discussed earlier, in 2017, there is about more than 100,000 cases, and when the DOH profiled these cases, they found out that the highest percentage incidence actually occurred on children ages 5 to 9 years old, followed by children 0 to 4 years old, and then 10 to 14 years old. Basically, the population in this age, less than 15 years old, is 36 million. If we can first target the 6% of the class ABC in this market, which is about 31,200 kids, we can actually generate a 46.8 million peso sales revenue per year. Now, if you're a mother of these kids, you're confronted with a lot of mosquito repellent products. Your questions are they effective? If they are effective, how long can it provide protection? Are they safe for my kids? And lastly, would my kid be willing to use or wear these products? Our technology, which is their mosquito repellent textile, is what we call as mosquito recoil. It's a modern day katol. Basically, the core technology is a controlled release system applied onto fabric so that it can hold the active ingredient and release it in a sustained manner so that it can provide protection for a long time. And you can even recharge it. It has been granted with 3 utility models by the IPOPHIL. So I will not belabor you with the process how it is produced, but basically this is the textile manufacturing continuum, and our technology is applied in the finishing process. So I've placed here the difference between among the mosquito recoil, our technology, the patch that we stick on the clothes, and the lotion and spray that we directly apply onto the skin. So in terms of safety, the lotion and spray, basically all of this, the active ingredients are natural essential oils. When you apply it directly to skin, there's a probability of allergies or dermal irritation. So basically, the mosquito recoil, since it's not directly applied, it's not next to skin, then it's safe. In terms of protection, since they are essential oil-based, if it's by lotion or spray, it can provide you protection from 2 to 4 hours. If it's by patch, it can provide protection from 8 to 16 hours. And then with our technology, it can provide you 6 to 9 days protection, and you can even prolong it. And then in terms of cost, of course, the mosquito recoil, the acquisition cost is higher, but because you can use it for a long time, then it is definitely cost effective. These are some of the products that we have produced to incorporate the mosquito repellent textile. So you can see it in the booth there. This is the sample of a possible business model for this technology. Say for example, there's a startup company known as Stella. Of course, its target market would be the middle to high income earning mothers of children less than 15 years old. To be able to reach this market, the enterprise should have partnership with the raw material suppliers, the textile finishing mills, the manufacturers and converters, and through online platform or physical stores, they may be able to reach the target market. The secondary market would be the nature enthusiasts. And then this startup company can also provide the mosquito repellent textile to other enterprises, which can reach also the other market. So currently, we have developed the prototype, we're doing the field testing, and we would need 3.5 million peso for the market testing and revenue model validation. So if you are in the textile industry, work with us so that we can create an impact to reduce incidence of mosquito-borne diseases, less carbon footprint because the materials are natural, and of course, let's work together to boost the local textile and allied industry to provide opportunities for our farmers and raw material suppliers. So if you want to work with us, here are my contact details. Good morning.
Thank you very much.